If you're experiencing payment issues on Sophos Central, follow these steps to quickly resolve them. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix common problems. Step 1. Check payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review billing information. Log into your Sophos Central account and check your billing information. Make sure that your billing address and contact details are up to date and match those associated with your payment method. Step 3. Examine subscription status. Check the status of your subscription in Sophos Central. If your subscription has expired or is inactive, you may need to renew it or update your payment information to continue using the services. Step 4. Contact support. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, contact Sophos support. Provide them with details about your payment issue, including any error messages you receive, so they can assist you more effectively. Step 5. Monitor for confirmation. After making changes or contacting support, keep an eye on your email for any confirmation regarding your payment status. Ensure that you receive a confirmation of payment or updates on your account status. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any payment issues on Sophos Central efficiently. If problems persist, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for further assistance.